Welcome to ukprowriters.com, your go-to platform for all your academic and professional writing needs. We offer a wide range of services, including essay writing, dissertation help, and assignment writing. Our team of expert writers is committed to providing high-quality and timely solutions that help you achieve your goals and excel in your academic and professional pursuits. Our topic of focus today pertains to the apprehension that arises when approaching assignments and its potential negative outcomes. This phenomenon, commonly known as the fear of failure, is a pervasive concern that can have a significant impact on one's academic performance and overall well-being. Let us delve deeper into this topic to better understand its underlying causes and effective strategies for overcoming it. Fear of failure is a common source of stress for students when it comes to assignment writing. The pressure to achieve high grades and excel academically can be overwhelming, leading to anxiety and self-doubt. The fear of not meeting the expectations of teachers or peers, as well as the fear of not achieving one's own personal goals, can create a sense of inadequacy and prevent students from reaching their full potential. The fear of failure can manifest in different ways when it comes to assignment writing. Some students may procrastinate, putting off their work until the last minute, while others may struggle to get started due to feelings of self-doubt or perfectionism. In some cases, fear of failure may even lead to avoidance or withdrawal, causing students to give up on their assignments altogether. So, what can students do to overcome the fear of failure when it comes to assignment writing? Here are some tips to help. Change your mindset. One way to overcome the fear of failure is to change your mindset. Rather than focusing on the negative, try to view assignments as an opportunity to learn and grow. By reframing your perspective in this way, you can reduce the pressure you place on yourself and approach assignments with a more positive attitude. Break it down. When an assignment seems overwhelming, try breaking it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This can make the assignment feel less daunting and give you a sense of progress as you work through each task. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals can help you avoid the trap of perfectionism and reduce the fear of failure. Rather than striving for a perfect grade, set achievable goals that you can work towards, such as completing a certain number of pages or sections of your assignment each day. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support from teachers, peers, or family members when it comes to assignment writing. Having a support network can make the process less stressful and help you stay motivated and focused. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is important when it comes to managing the fear of failure. Make sure you are getting enough rest, eating well, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This can help reduce stress and anxiety and improve your overall well-being. Celebrate your successes. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. Whether it's completing a challenging section of your assignment or achieving a personal goal, taking the time to acknowledge your achievements can boost your confidence and reduce the fear of failure. By implementing these tips, students can reduce the fear of failure when it comes to assignment writing and approach assignments with more confidence and ease. Remember, it's important to view assignments as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than simply a means of achieving a high grade. By taking a positive and proactive approach to assignment writing, students can overcome the fear of failure and achieve their goals. All the best.